Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AWOL, and we're going to mash a couple patterns today. Today we have this one. This is 1236 and 7093, both from friendshipbracelets.net. Let me copy this one, bring it in, and just move it off to the side. Like that. So that's going to be the inside area, and then this one we're going to copy it and we're going to use this for the outside. I haven't quite figured it all out yet. I just pick a couple ones that I think might be kind of interesting and we just go from there. All right, so now let's hide the outside part while we do this inner part. So here I thought this would be an interesting opportunity because it's 3 colors and it's split by the sides, that we keep that for the whole bracelet. So let's see where our diamonds go. I think we're actually going to move our center line here. Why can I not? Why is this line not moving? Oh, grabbed the wrong tool. Okay, there we go. I gotta make sure I line it up right in the middle there. That way, now we can actually have these things really nice and centered. So we want to be on the inside one. And now I can put in these diamonds. And this way it's going to end up, you know, nice and symmetrical and awesome. This is kind of be a little bit different because normally I have been saving like the inside and the outside patterns separately. So that way we can just kind of throw them together and make some stuff in the future. But this one's going to be a little bit weird because the colors aren't going to match on either side. So now for this, our white or off-white, whatever this is, pretty straightforward. Actually, we don't have to do both sides. Let me just do this fast. Ooh, but the other part is going to get, well, yeah, there's no, oh, maybe I can do some Photoshop kind of stuff here. I'm trying to weigh it out. Normally, when we select the color, it would grab everything else. Am I right? That would be a problem because we want one side to be one shade and the other side a different one. I just thought of a possibility off the top of my head. So what I'm going to do is first get my select tool. I'm going to select our right side here using our guidelines. I'm going to copy and paste it. Now we have this layer that's up above. We're going to go ahead and make that go to a new layer. So there's a layer of just this side over here floating. So now when we select the color, we're only getting that one side. So now I can go over to our paint tool, grab that darker green, tell it we're going to fill the whole selection, and now the whole darker green area goes on over there. Not bad. Right? So now I'm still on that same layer. I can take that layer and I can merge it down. And so now we're back to that, just that inside layer, right? Now, when I select by color for the template color, I only get this side. Now I can grab our paint thing again, grab that other green, and put it over there. Now it's gonna get it down in the bottom, but that's okay. We're gonna fix that in a moment. We're gonna grab the select tool again, We're going to take this whole top half. We're going to copy and paste it. Use our flip tool and flip it down to the other side and anchor it in place. So there we go. Now we have dark on one side and light on the other. That saved us a whole bunch of time. All right, so now we add in the outside. This one we're actually gonna have to color it in. So, which color are we gonna use to be the same as these things? I'm guessing maybe the purple? So let's this darker color. Yeah, that's really too close to black. Let's give it a nice gray instead. Oh, I'm on the wrong layer. It was with this little diamond right here. Like that. Like so. But then what are we going to make this brighter green over here? So if the purple is our darker green, oh, I get it. This is gonna be really fun. All right, give me a second. So this dark green is replacing this purple, and this light green is going to be what's in the middle over here. So it's just a single one here, and then it's the bigger version here. So it's just 4, so that's that. Okay. Then this is here. Then it's a single version again. Right. And then a double. So this becomes the dark. And this light goes like that. Right, so there's our light. Our single one. Goes back to a double. This is dark. This goes here. Another single. Like that. So then it just comes back up. Wrong color. Down for a double. Perfect. Now, these ones get the darks like that. Now, if we match this gray on the other side, right, and we put the light green there. So let's see, this was the single, right. This is the double, that's the single. And now over here, these get the dark. How about that? So we're still using the same colors. We're just changing it on either side just to make it really interesting. Right? So did I do this right? Yes. That's the little block right there. Single, and then this is the double. single and a double. Yep, and they're lining up perfectly, so I must be doing something right. There's the single. There's the double. These are the light greens. These are the darks. Wow. Okay, so now I just have to fill in the underlying strings for that. So let's start with this one. Well, no. Yeah, this is... Yeah, this is a little bit... I have to do basically both sides. The easiest one is obviously the gray because it just kind of is continuous. It'll help me to figure out where the other ones go. I wish there was like a faster way of doing this. It's really kind of a little bit tedious, but it needs doing so. And we're not going to do the whole bracelet, obviously, because all I got to do is copy the top half to the bottom half. So that's at least a bonus. Us to the end. All right, now that's not so bad. And the light green goes in what's left. Essentially, it's the same thing going the other side, just it's the other colors. This one's going to be fun just because the symmetry is... It's there, but it's really different. This is those kind of bracelets that cause people to have to do a double take to see how and why it's doing what it does. I like that a lot. And I think because the way the colors can interact with the middle area, I think we'll be able to swap out some in places. Maybe not the bright green on this side, but it's not getting used so much that it necessarily needs to be changed out anyway, so that's good. See, I missed a spot. I missed another one over here. Okay, now I think I got them all. Holy smokes. I just had my printer fall on the floor. That just scared me half to death. All right. Let's copy and paste. Use our flip tool. Flip that to down there. Anchor the layer. Bring it all together. Get rid of our examples. And there we have it. That's our bracelet. I really like how this is just going to be so different. You've got these little blocks in places, and it's just a line. That's kind of fun. That is kind of fun. Yeah, gonna be something very, very different. I'm excited. Thank you for hanging out with me here today. I really do appreciate it. I will have a new bracelet for you to check out tomorrow. And yeah, I'll let you know if I've discovered anything difficult or easy about it, or basically what my overall view is. Before I go, I do want to thank my Patreon supporters as well as my YouTube members for making all of this possible. Seriously, even just, it's not all about the money. It's they help motivate me and keep me doing this, because their support shows that what I'm doing is something worthwhile. So thank you guys for that. Yeah, and as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.